This is Liz, and I'm going to give you a quick little way to set up your Google Classroom. Go to Google, okay? Make sure you are signed in. I'm signed in over here. If you click on what I call and what the kids call the waffle, it's kind of how we remember it. If you click on it, you should see a Google Classroom app. If you don't, you can click more and it'll give you more apps, or you can even go type in Google Classroom into the search box and it will pop up. So you're going to go into your Google Classroom, you're going to click enter. These are my classes from last year. I don't need them anymore, so I'm just going to archive them. And this means that I could still access them if I needed to, but I don't need to right now, so I'm going to put them away because I don't want them to distract me. But what it also does is allows me to keep those students' work. So there's actually folders in my Google Drive that has those kids' work. So this is what you should see, okay? So you should see that you have no classes here. Now, as a regular classroom teacher, there are lots of different ways you can do this, but you need to decide what's going to work best for you. I've tried it several different ways. I've tried just having Ms. Hill's class, okay, and then putting everything there. That got really confusing and kind of got clogged up, and the kids couldn't focus. I've also tried adding different classes, like Ms. Hill's reading class, Ms. Hill's science class, Ms. Hill's math class. I found that works the best. So, if you were going to go here, and I'm going to do this like I'm a regular classroom teacher, I'm going to click on the plus sign up here. It says join or create class. I want to create a class, okay? And I'm going to just name this Ms. Hill's reading class. The rest of this really doesn't matter. You can fill in stuff if you want to, but you do not have to. Okay, you hit create. And if your Wi-Fi is fast, it should create. And my Wi-Fi is obviously not fast right now. It usually takes just a second, and there it is. Okay, so I'm going to go back so you see what that looks like. All right, so here it is. You see it has 0 students in it. Okay, and then you would just repeat this exact same thing for all of your classes that you want to have on your Google Classroom. Again, I find it easier as an elementary teacher that teaches everything, although I shouldn't say Miss Math class, I should say Miss Hill's math class, obviously, to have them separated because it gets super clogged up. All right, and notice how what I'm doing is every time I want to go back to see my board, I just kind of go over here and I can click classes and it will take me there. So I'm going to go right there, show you this right here. This is kind of your navigation. Tells you how to go places, hit classes, it'll take you back to all of your classes. Now, I messed up on this one, but I'm going to click on, you can't see there's some dots here. There are dots here too. So I'm just going to click on that. I'm going to edit it. And I'm going to go put Hill's math class. Okay? And so then I'm just going to go and I would do that with every one of my classes. So my science class. You could even do extra work or extra discovery, extra exploration might even be better. And that might be somewhere that kids can go. They can go click on that classroom to go there when they're finished with their work. And there you could have like stuff that they could go and discover. So you could use that for extra things. All right, once again, I'm in my science class. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to go to classes so that you can see it. So this is the first step. You need to set up your classes. All right, you're going to have 0 students in these classes. And that is okay because you haven't gotten there yet. All right. So this is how you get it. start here and we'll come back later.